Hello, my name is Rutendo Melody Kanguru, and welcome to this guided meditation session. Today, as we enter into the session, I want you to really have a clear intention as to what you want to come out of it. We want to make sure that today, as we are meditating, that we let go of every past burden that has been weighing us down and that has been creating a barricade between us fully becoming everything that God desires for us to be. And so today's session is really an opportunity for us to divorce ourselves from these past experiences, past traumas and past pains that could potentially be weighing us down in this moment. So let's get into today's meditation. Always, I encourage you to look for a place that is comfortable, sit yourself down, take a moment to truly be in the moment, to really immerse yourself in that moment, and let us begin. I let go of guilt I have been carrying from my past. I let go of the weight of disappointment I have carried about my past. I let go of every failure. I let go of feeling unworthy. I let go of the pain I have allowed into my present from my past. I let go of every self-sabotaging opinion I have of myself because of my past. I let go of names I have been giving myself because of my past mistakes. I let go of comparing my journey and past to other people's pasts. I let go of the idea of a perfect life. I release all self-judgment. I let go of my past traumas, past pain, past hurts. I let go of any bitterness, anger, and disappointment. I let go of the expectations I have had for others to make me happy. I let go of the expectations I had for others to treat me better than they did. I let go of the shame associated with my past and past decisions. I let go of the sadness I have carried for so long. I let go of the weight of other people's expectations. Today, I choose to be compassionate with myself. Today, I surrender my mind to God. I forget the former things, what lies behind me, and press towards what is ahead of me. I choose healing, for my God sent His word to heal me. I choose to trust myself and my ability to navigate through my present with wisdom. I choose to forgive myself and allow myself another chance to be better, for God has forgiven me. I choose to love myself, for I can only love my neighbor with the same intensity and passion and purity as I love myself. Today, I choose to receive God's unlimited joy to replace every space where the pain once was. I acknowledge I am responsible for how long I permit what hurt me to haunt me. I acknowledge that my past does not define me, destroy me, deter me. I release all emotional baggage, hurt, and regret. Like Ruth after her husband's death, I believe a new chapter awaits me. I embrace the new. I let go of the old. What a powerful session today was. What a powerful moment. And sometimes we don't recognize how valuable and how powerful our words are. But I truly hope that as the month progresses and as the year progresses, that you will start seeing and start reaping the benefits out of every single word that you have spoken in power today, and that you will start surely seeing every single thing that you have let go of in this session truly exit your life, and that you can truly be divorced from it and become the best version of who God has destined for you to be. I will see you very, very soon.